Friend, will continue yesterday's topic, that is right to equality. Yesterday we have discussed Article 14 of the Constitution. What is Article 14 of the Constitution? Article 14 of the Constitution deals with the kind of concept, that is equality before law and equal protection of law. Article 14 allows the classification but prohibit the class legislation. Article 14 you will find the twin test. Judiciary has evolved the twin test. Any kind of classification must satisfy this twin test. So, Article 14 allow the classification. You will find the national principle of natural justice in Article 14. Now we will continue the same concept, that is right to equality. Article 15 of the Constitution deals with the states shall not discriminate. What do you mean by discriminate? It means states shall not favor to any, should not favor or discriminate on 5 grounds. Which are they? Religions, race, caste, sex or place of birth, or any of them. States shall not discriminate. Parliament or state legislature shall not make any law which will discriminate on the basis of religion, race, caste, or sex or place of birth, or any government body. We have discussed Article 12 of the Constitution, in which what doing by state. If state is discriminating, government, government bodies, universities are the within the definition of state. Municipal corporation are the within the definition of the state. If their rule are discriminating on the basis of religion, race, caste or sex or place of birth, then you can challenge such kind of law is a white law, unconstitutional law. Then we will discuss scope of Article 15 is more narrow than Article 14. Article 14 of the Constitution is a wider than Article 15. Article 14 is available to citizen as well as non-citizen, whereas Article 15 is available to only citizen. Recently, central government has amended Citizenship Act. As per the amendment, they have prescribed the qualification to become the citizen. Who can become the citizen? They have prescribed the qualification. Muslim citizen of Pakistan, Muslim citizen of Afghanistan, Muslim citizen of Bangladesh cannot become the citizen of India after the amendment. Central government has disqualified them. They cannot become the citizen. It is a discriminating. Whether it is a discriminating, the answer is no. Why? Article 15 is available to only citizen. It is not available to non-citizen. Indian citizen, he may be a Muslim, Sikh, Hindu, they can challenge if law is discriminating on the basis of religions, caste, sex or place of birth, then they can challenge validity of law. Next, we'll discuss DP Joshi versus State of Madhya Bharat. In this case, rule was challenged, that is medical college charges capitation fee from the student who are non-Madhya Bharat, whether it is violate Article 15 of the Constitution, whether there is a discrimination. Madhya Bharat student they are charging less fee, and not non-Madhya Bharat they are charging more fee. Whether it is discrimination, the Supreme Court held that the discrimination on the basis of resident is allowed. This Article 15 of the Constitution deals with the discrimination. There shall not be discrimination on the basis of place of birth. Place of birth. Article, if the discrimination is based on the resident, that is allowed. For example, SC candidate will get a benefit of the SC or ST or OBC candidate of Maharashtra and will get a benefits in Maharashtra. They will not get a benefit in other state, because on the basis of resident, state government can make a reservation policy. It means there is a difference between place of birth and residence. Place of birth means the person born in Pune given a different treatment, and person born in Hadapsar given a different treatment. This is a place of birth. This, if this kind of treatment is given a different treatment, then you can challenge such kind of law, that is discriminate on the basis of place of birth. Then we will discuss what is clause 2 of Article 15. Clause 2 of Article 15 deals with state as well as individuals shall not discriminate on the basis of religion, sex, race, or caste, or place of birth. On the basis of religion, caste, sex, or place of birth. This clause is applicable to citizen as well as state. If citizen is discriminating on the basis of religion, sex, race, caste, or place of birth, or any of them, then Article 15 clause 2 is applicable. This article is this right is available to against the private persons. Article 16 clause 2 deals with the no citizen shall be ineligible on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or descent. This is एक additional ground आहे descent. Article 15 clause मध्ये तुम्हाला 5च सापडतील. Article 16 clause 1 and 2 मध्ये तुम्हाला 6 सापडतील. On that basis there shall not be discrimination. So state shall not discrimination. On the where state shall not discrimination, or citizen shall not discriminate on any shops, hotels, malls, जे काही पब्लिक प्लेसेस असतील, मॉल असतील, सिनेमा असतील, तिथं स्टेट आणि सिटीजनने डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करायला नको पाहिजे. या 5 पॉइंट वर आधारित. दिस इज द if it is discrimination is done, then it is a violation of Article 15 clause 2 of the Constitution. Article 16 clause 1 and Article 16 clause 2 will discuss tomorrow. Article 16 clause 1 deals with the equal opportunity in public employment, and Article 16 clause 2 deals with the no citizen shall be disqualified on this 6th ground. What is clause 3? Clause 3 of the Article 15 is nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any special provision for women and children. As per this clause, state is empowered to make a certain law for children and women. If you study Juvenile Justice Act is there. As per the Juvenile Justice Act, juvenile, or who is juvenile? Juvenile means the person, the child who has not completed 18 year is a juvenile. The juvenile is given different treatment. Special law is made for the juvenile. Special law is made for the children's protection for care. Special law is there for the women's for the then this kind of law is made by the parliament. The article 15 clause 3 empower the parliament to make special laws for the women and children. Children has given the different treatment. Same way, women has given a different treatment by the government on the basis of clause 3 of the article 15. There is a laws for the women's protection of domestic violence act is there. 2005 is the act. As the special law is made by the parliament to protect the women's. वुमेनसाठी स्पेशल बसेस असतील, कॉलेजेस असतील, तर स्पेशल प्रोविजन पार्लिमेंट कॅन मेक रिझर्वेशन असेल इन पंचायत. This kind of treatment is given to the women only on the basis of clause 3 of the constitution, and it is not violative of the article 15 clause 15 clause 1 of the constitution. Then we will discuss Article 14. On the basis of Article 46 of the Indian Constitution, state government has amended. Originally, in the Constitution, there were only three clauses in Article 15 of the Constitution. Article Clause 4 of the Article 15 is added by first constitutional amendment. Why first come? What is the reason of the first amendment? We will discuss. On the basis of Article 46, the state government has given the reservation to certain classes of person. That is, in state of Madras versus Champaka Rajan, certain classes of person was given a reservation. The student was divided on the basis of caste, religions, and their on the basis of proportion of the student. The reservation was granted by the Madras government. This reservation was challenged on the ground of it is violative of Article 15 clause 1 of the Constitution, because Article 15 clause 1 is a prohibit the state on the base prohibit the state to discriminate on the basis of race, caste, sex, or place of the birth. The Supreme Court struck down the laws made by the Madras government. Hence, Parliament has inserted clause 4 in Article 15 of the Constitution. Supreme Court held in this case in state of Madras versus Champaka Rajan that directive principle will not prevail over the fundamental rights. Hence, Supreme Court struck down the rule of the Madras government. Yes, Parliament has inserted clause 4 in Article 15 of the Constitution. As per clause 4, special provision for the advancement of the backward classes. Clause 4 enables the state government or Parliament to make law for the advancement of the socially and backward classes. Special provision is made by First Amendment. This new provision is added. Nothing in this article shall be applicable. By this clause, state government is enabled to make a special provision for the disadvantaged people, that is socially and educationally backward classes. It means state government want to give the special treatment, then two conditions must be fulfilled. Which two conditions? The caste must be socially backward, socially and educationally backward. Both conditions should be satisfied. Then only government, state government can give the separate treatment, can make a special provision. This is an enabling provision. It is not enabling the state government only. This is a case law on clause 4 of Article 15 of the Constitution. Backward and more backward, whether it is bad or not, whether it is bad or not. Balaji versus State of Mysore. The the government, state government has issued the order. As per this order, they have given the reservation and they have classified the categories: backward class, more backward class, scheduled caste. For backward class, they have given a 28% reservation. For more backward classes, 20%, and scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, 80%. This reservation reached to the 66%. And the remaining is a 32% reservation. Whether this kind of classification is reasonable, the Supreme Court held that under Article 15 clause 4, backward and more backward classification is a bad in this case. Supreme Court struck down the order of the state government. And most of the students get the good marks, but they did not get the admission due to the order of the government, and they challenged the rule order of the government, and Supreme Court struck down in this case. Backward and more backward class is not allowed. The Article 16 clause Article 15 clause 4 must satisfy two conditions. First condition is socially backward, and first is socially backward, and second educationally backward. Backward and more backward class is based on the caste only. Hence, Supreme Court struck down this provision. The next case is Principal Guntur Medical College versus Rohan Rao. In this case, one of the important questions arises. The person, Hindu origin person, converted to the Christian. The person was belonging to the scheduled caste, is converted to Christian. Again, he come back to his original religion and caste. Whether he is entitled for the reservation, this kind of question is arise in this case. Supreme Court held that the person can get the benefit only if the member of the scheduled caste accept. The person belong to the caste. The person belong to whom the caste should accept him. ज्या कास्टचा पर्सन आहे त्या कास्टच्या लोकांनी जर त्याला ऍक्सेप्ट केलं तरच तो अंडर आर्टिकल 15 क्लॉज 4 नुसार रिझर्वेशनचं बेनिफिट घेऊ शकतो, इलिजिबल असेल असं सुप्रीम कोर्टने या केसमध्ये हेल्ड केलेलं आहे. फ्रेंड, मराठा समाजाला आरक्षण दिलेलं आहे, कुठल्या क्लॉजवर आधारित दिलेलं आहे हे मला तुम्ही उद्या सांगायचं आहे. In today's lecture, we have discussed about Article 15 Clause 1. Article 15 Clause 1 of the Constitution deals with the state shall not discrimination. Article 15 Clause 2, state and citizen both should not discriminate. It means Article 15 Clause 2 is available against the citizen as well as against the private person. Then we have discussed Article 15 Clause 3, that is states can make a special provision for the children and women. Then these are the three original provisions in the Constitution, and new added provision is Article 15 Clause 4 by first Constitution Amendment. Why it is added? We have discussed all these points. In tomorrow's lecture, we will discuss what is carry forward rule, what is Mandal Commission case, and then we will discuss the latest amendment, that is 103 amendment. We will discuss in tomorrow's lectures. I stop here. Thank you.